The culture of Altasciences is one where everyone is allowed to contribute their ideas and their opinions, and they are considered because we value the feedback that is coming back from people that are on the bench, because they see things and they face challenges firsthand, or others that are having direct communications with clients and listening in on needs that may not be voiced in an inquiry, for example, but you're understanding that there's more to the questions that they're bringing to you. And so bringing those to the team and having yourself heard so that we can adapt and adjust as necessary so we can better meet their needs and hopefully, needs of a larger audience is very valuable. Listening to everybody within the organization has an impact because it allows us to be more flexible, attentive, responsive for needs that are going to come up from the client before they even reference them to us. Things that I think drive sponsors to keep coming back to us have to do with our scientific expertise, our responsiveness, and thirdly, our commitment on the deliverables. So when we say we will meet, let's say something by a certain date, we can assure you that it will be done.